From farms, fields, and factories, finished goods flow into processing centers, where they're sanitized, sorted, and packaged into cans, cartons, bottles, and jars, then collected into cases and pallets for storage or shipping to their final destinations. And every step along the way, Zebra machine vision and fixed industrial scanning solutions ensure that every container is inspected, tracked, and counted. State-of-the-art lenses adjust focus automatically for quick and easy installation. Aurora Vision software provides tools that allow vision systems to verify that containers are correctly filled, sealed, and labeled. It reads numbers or text on containers as quickly and easily as barcodes on labels, with deep learning-based optical character recognition. And it works at today's highest production speeds. Find out what Zebra machine vision and fixed industrial scanning solutions can do for you.